Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw something simple and different but very fun, and that's a sword in 3D. First we fold the sheet in half. It doesn't need to be exact. We extend it and then draw a vertical line just as a guideline. Like so. Then a tilted line that goes from the fold line at the middle of the page and almost gets to the vertical pencil line. Then a parallel line, considering that this will be the width of the sword. Then we repeat the same but in a reversed angle. And I'll use the ruler as a square to draw a short perpendicular line for the guard. That is the part that protects the hand. Good. And then the handle at the end. We round it a little bit and then the sharp point at the opposite end. And a line not at the middle but a little bit to the right along the blade. And then the shadow from one end to the other one. Once we look at it from the correct angle, the sword will look straight. I hope. We clean up the drawing and I used a broom so as to not get the oil of the fingers on the paper. With my mechanical pencil or a regular pencil, I draw the shadow. It's a little bit darker closer to both ends and slightly lighter in the middle. Okay, good. Now let's check it out. Let's check how are we doing in regards to the 3D effect. We fold the page at 90 degrees and find the angle from where the sword looks straight. It looks fairly okay, I think, except for the guard, which looks as if it were tilting toward the left. Let's fix that. Let's see, it should have been more like this, like almost parallel to the folding line. Let's see how it looks now from the perspective. Yes, that's better. Much better. So now let's erase the prior one and draw the new guard in this new format, which looks totally wrong from this angle. Now let's use a dark blue color pencil to do the shading. The list of materials is in the description below the video. The side on the left will be in shade, lightly so. And since we are drawing on grey paper, we can give it some shining lights with the white. All the right side of the blade has a light tone and then some sparks here and there. And I will delineate it a little bit better. Let's check it again to see how it is looking now. We fold it up and find the right angle for it. Here. Yeah, it is looking much better, I think. We could increase the highlights a little bit more and blur the shadow. So let's go on with the white. Here, here and here. And I delineate the handle, why not adding a little bit of brown and some texture to it. We even out the shadow and smudge it and it's ready. Please let me know what do you think of this effect and whether you would like more of this kind in 3D. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to Fine Art Tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.